I'm Jen, and today we're gonna hack the holidays with some convenient, affordable tips, tricks, and recipes to help you in the season's gathering. I'm gonna get the party rolling with some festive mini cheese balls. They are so fun to make and to eat, and it all starts off with some Boursin cheese that gets rolled into 4 different toppings. We've got bacon and jalapeños, some chives and red pepper flakes, everything bagel seasoning, pecans, and dried cranberries. I'm gonna get started on my Boursin cheese. I've got 3 packages here, and this stuff is so good to start off with because it's flavored with beautiful things like garlic and lots of herbs. And a great way to have even quantities is to use a little ice cream scooper like this. All you have to do, scoop up a little amount, and then just roll it right in your hand. La la la. I'm gonna put it right here and just keep rolling. Man, this Boursin cheese is a family staple. My dad used to bring lots of this home because it's just so good. We put it on everything, from toast to eggs. I'm just gonna pop this into the fridge to chill for about an hour, and then meanwhile, I'll work in the bacon. I find that the easiest way to cook your bacon is by popping it into the oven. I've got it preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have a tray with a little baking rack. That way we get it aerated, it can get nice and crispy without you having to babysit it. So I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. And let that bake off for about 15-20 minutes until it gets nice and crispy. Meanwhile, I could chop up the rest. For my first flavor, I'm gonna do a combo of fresh chives and some red pepper flakes. And you wanna slice them real fine. Just pop it all into a bowl. Then right into the bowl, just pour your red pepper flakes. I love the little bit of red that pops out and a little bit of spice, but if you want it spicier, you can add more. And that's the first topping, done. For my next topping, I've got a very festive duo of pecans and dried cranberries. I love this mix. Unlike the other toppings I have going on, this brings a little sweetness. Now you might think it's weird to pair up with some garlic and herbs, but it actually balances it out. It's a nice mouthfeel. That looks good. Again, pop it in a bowl. To that, I'm gonna add dried cranberries. Straight into the bowl. Mixy, mixy. Easy. Second one, done. Now this third topping, it's really complicated. It's the only messy part of this whole recipe. You take a bottle of everything bagel seasoning. They come in a container like this, and then brace yourself. I'm done. That was hard. I need to walk out of this kitchen. I'm done, it's over. I really like this seasoning because it's got everything in it. It's got poppy seed, black and white sesame seeds, garlic, onion, all in one. Save yourself the time and get the everything bagel seasoning. I think my bacon's done, smelling terrific. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let that cool off a little bit. Then meanwhile, chop up a little jalapeno. Now, the spice level is totally up to you. So I'm gonna do a little moderate spice here and just take out some of it. I'm just gonna cut them real small. This one has the seeds in it, so it's gonna be a little spicy. This goes in the bowl. Next, I'm gonna move on to the bacon. They are ready for me to chop up. Just chop them up real small, just like the jalapeno. This looks good. Just add that to the jalapenos. Mix it up, and just like that, 4 toppings, done. Look at that color. And now I'm just gonna go get my balls and get to rolling. I've got my platter set up so that I can spread my Great Value Entertainment crackers. This is great because it comes with a variety of flavors, super convenient. Just dress up your platter however you'd like. You got the variety of crackers for your variety of toppings. You can mix and match, play up the flavors. All right, I'm gonna go get my bowls. Good, they're nice and chilled. You wanna make sure to chill them so that they maintain their shape and they don't get all mushy when you roll them around in the toppings. Roll them around, and that's it. Moving on to my next topping, the pecan and dried cranberries. Got the jalapeno bacon action. This one goes right into the everything bagel. And there you have it. I've got variety here in the form of mini cheese balls and a variety of crackers. I cannot wait to try these. The fun thing about this is that you could play around with the combos. So maybe I want a little bit of jalapeno bacon. And then maybe on the other side, everything bagel, okay. Boom. See, already having fun. This is everything. Get that garlic, the herbs, a little bit of pop from the seeds. Oh yeah, that combo, perfect. And just like that, a super simple way to prepare a beautiful entertaining spread with the help of some Boursin cheese and Great Value Entertainment crackers. I've saved time and effort. That way I could spend less time in the kitchen and more time out there with my friends and family enjoying all the winter holidays.